Introduction: Infused water and detox water.
Infused water and detox water are popular choices for those seeking flavorful, healthy hydration. While their names are often used interchangeably, they are not exactly the same. In this video, we'll explore the main differences, review their claimed health benefits, and clear up common myths, so you can confidently choose what's right for your daily routine.
What is infused water?
Infused water is simply water that has been flavored by adding fruits, herbs, or vegetables. Popular options include lemon, cucumber, berries, or mint. The process involves soaking these ingredients in cold water, allowing subtle tastes and aromas to develop. Infused water is naturally calorie-free, contains trace nutrients, and makes drinking water more enjoyable without added sugars or artificial flavors.
What is detox water?
Detox water usually refers to infused water marketed with claims of detoxifying the body. Recipes often include ingredients like lemon, ginger, or apple cider vinegar. While the flavors are similar to infused water, detox water is surrounded by claims that it flushes toxins, aids weight loss, or boosts metabolism. However, these claims are not strongly supported by scientific research.
Health benefits: facts versus myths.
Both infused water and detox water help you stay hydrated, which supports digestion, skin health, and energy. Small amounts of vitamins and antioxidants may transfer from the infusing ingredients. However, there is no evidence that detox water removes toxins from your body. The liver and kidneys naturally handle detoxification, making detox claims largely a myth.
Which should you choose?
For most people, both infused water and so-called detox water are safe and enjoyable ways to drink more water. They are nearly identical except for the marketing. The real benefit comes from staying hydrated. Focus on combinations you enjoy and be cautious about exaggerated claims. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are essential for genuine wellness.